example 2.7, a three-fold invitation card is given with measures as in the figure. Find its area. So there is one invitation card, you can fold it back 3 times. Okay. So the shape of the invitation is like this. We are going to find the area of this invitation. So first you have to select which shapes are in the invitation. What are the shapes you observe now? Here we have one rectangle. They split it into 3 folds. So write 1, 2, 3 parts. Here it is in rectangle shape. The length of this rectangle is 16 centimeter. Here also the length should be 16 centimeter. So breadth is 8 centimeter. Now I am going to take this 1 and 2 parts both in one part. Okay. So now what shape it is? It has one pair of parallel sides. So definitely it is in the shape of trapezium. So what is the area of trapezium? Of into h into a plus b. You know, a plus b, a and b are length of the parallel sides. So this one is one parallel side. This is one parallel side now. Then a value will be 5 centimeter and b value will be 16 centimeter. So now what is the height of this trapezium now? This one should be the height. So I will draw it like this here. See. It's okay. So this is 5 centimeter. This one is 16 centimeter. The height they given that the perpendicular height 8 plus 8 you will get 16 centimeter. So now you can understand clearly, no? So rectangle also you can draw separately, then you can understand easily. That is length is 16 centimeter and the breadth is 8 centimeter. So if you add the area of these two, now you will get area of the invitation. Okay. So write the parallel sides of the combined trapezium. So 1 and 2 parts we are taking together. So it will form a trapezium. Then parallel sides are 5 centimeter and 16 centimeter and its height will be 8 plus 8. We are adding these two. So you get 16 centimeter as height. Okay. Next, the length of the rectangle is 16 centimeter and its breadth is 8 centimeter. Area of the invitation card, now we are going to add these two areas. Okay. So area of the combined trapezium plus area of the rectangle. So trapezium formula of into h into a plus b square units plus area of rectangle is L into b square units. So half into height is 16 into a plus b parallel sides, right? No, 5 and 16. So 5 plus 16 plus L into b now 16 into 8. So here cancel, 2 1s are 2 8s are. You will get 8 into 5 plus 16 you will get 21 plus 16 into 8. So multiply these two, you will get 8 into 21 168 plus 16 into 8 you will get 128. Add both you will get 296 centimeter square. Therefore, the area of the invitation card equal to 296 centimeter square. Next, move on to example 2.8. Sinu wants to buy a floor mat for his kitchen at home as given in the figure. If the cost of the mat is rupees 20 per square foot, what will be the cost of the entire mat? So, Sinu in his kitchen he has a floor mat like this. So in L shape it is. Okay. So now we are going to find area of this mat. Then only you can able to find cost of the entire mat. So per square feet they given how much it is? Rupees 20. Okay. So how to find? I am going to join here. Here it will form a rectangle. Am I right? So rectangle length is 9 feet and the breadth is 2 feet. So here 2 feet, now here also that should be 2 feet only, no breadth. So totally here you have 7 feet. If you take this 2 feet outside, now what will be the remaining length? So totally 7 feet. Here the length is 2 feet now. The remaining should be 7 minus 2, that is 5 feet. Okay, so in this rectangle, the length is 5 feet and the breadth is 2 feet. So take this rectangle, the length is 9 feet and the breadth is 2 feet. So to find the area of this mat, we are going to add area of this rectangle plus area of the second rectangle. Okay, so write the mat given in the figure can be split into 2 rectangles. That is, this one is 1 and this one is second rectangle. So area of the first rectangle plus area of the second rectangle. Then only that entire mat area will come, you know. So area of the rectangle, what is the formula? L into B. Here you have two rectangles. So we take it as L1 into B1 plus area of second rectangle is L2 into B2. So L1 for this length is 5, breadth is 2. So 5 into 2 plus for this second rectangle length is 9 and breadth is 2. So 9 into 2. 5 2s are 10, 9 2s are 18. 10 plus 18 will get 28 square feet. They given cost per square feet is rupees 20. So what is the area of the mat? 28, you know. So you have to multiply 28 into 20. So the total cost of the entire mat equal to 28 into rupees 20. If you multiply now you get 560. So the entire cost of that mat is rupees 560. So did you understand this? Move on to next example. 2.9. Find the area of the shaded region in the square of the side 10 cm as given in the figure. So we are going to find area of the shaded region. So the given one square shape in that we have one flower like this. Okay. So the side of the square is 10 cm. We are going to find this area of the shaded portion. So we can't able to find directly the area of the shaded portion. First we are going to find area of the unshaded portion and then we subtract that from the area of the square. Then only you can able to find area of unshaded portion. Okay. So mark the unshaded parts of the given figure 1, 2, 3, 4. So unshaded portion I am marking like this 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So I am going to find the area of these portions 1, 2, 3 and 4 portions first, then I will subtract that from the area of the square. Then only I can find that area of shaded portion. Okay. So area of 1 and 3 parts. So here I have taken. Now I am going to find area of 1 and 3 now. This definitely that shape will be like this, you know. First I am going to find 1 and 3 parts only. The area of 1 and 3 parts only. So the shape will become like this. Okay, how to find this now? Area of square minus area of the two semicircles. 1 and 3 parts. So you can find using area of square minus area of this two semicircles. So area of square, what is the formula? A square minus 2. Two semicircles, no? So 2 into semicircle. Area of semicircle is 1 by 2 pi r square. So 2 will get cancelled here. A is given, the side of that square is 10 cm. So a square then will get 10 into 10 minus pi r they given in the sum as 22 by 7. So substitute 22 by 7 into r means the radius. So here this semicircle, the side of the square is 10 cm. Then this side will become, for the semicircle it will become as diameter. So diameter is 10 cm now. What about the radius? D by 2, you know. So 10 by 2 you will get 5 cm. So radius of the circle is 5 cm. Here also the same only, you know. So here also you get r value as 5 cm. So r square now 5 into 5. Okay, now 10 into 10, 100 minus multiply this 22 into 5 into 5. You will get 550 divided by 7. Divide this, you will get 78.57. So 100 minus 78.57, I will get 21.43 centimeter square. So similarly, so here we find area of 1 and 2 parts. So next we are going to find area of 2 and 4 points. Parts. So how to find 2 and 4 parts? See here. So here that semicircle is left and right. No, in this up and down the semicircle will come like this. Then only you can find that second part and fourth part. Like the same way. Here also you have to find the area of second and fourth part equal to area of square minus area of two semicircles. The same procedure what you do for the first one, the same only repeated. Definitely the area also will be 21.43 centimeter square. So now what is the area of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts now? Add both to 21.43 plus 21.43 centimeter square. So that only I wrote area of unshaded parts. That is area of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts equal to 21.43. This is area of 1 and 3 plus 21.43. This is area of 2 and 4 parts. So add these two, you will get 42.86 centimeter square. So now we are going to find area of the shaded part. Already I told area of the shaded part na area of the square minus area of the unshaded portion. So area of the square na 10 into 10, that is a square formula. So a side of the square there is 10. So we get 10 into 10 minus area of unshaded portion, here we find 42.86. So 10 into 10 will get 100 minus 42.86 will get 7.14 centimeter square. So already you know how to subtract the decimal numbers, you know. So you have to borrow from this 10, here will get 0, here 10. So 10 from, subtract 6 from 10 now will get 4, 8 from 9 now will get 1, 2 from 9 will get 7, 4 from 9 now will get 5. So 57.14 centimeter square. Therefore area of the shaded part equal to 57.14 centimeter square.